Hey everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet yo-yos, and I'll show you 3 different sizes. So let's get started. To crochet a yo-yo, you can use any size yarn and any size hook that you like. I'm using a 6mm crochet hook and worsted weight yarn. I started with a slip knot, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to join and form a ring. Carry the yarn end along the outside of the ring. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to make a total of 18 triple crochet in the ring. This takes the place of the first one. To make a triple crochet, yarn around the hook 2 times. Insert into the ring, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to continue to make triple crochet all the way around until I have the equivalent of 18. I'll do one more. Yarn around the hook 2 times, insert into the ring, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. So go ahead and work all the way around. Okay, I've gone ahead and I've worked a total of 18, which counts this first chain. And at the end of the row, slip stitch to join in the top of that first chain 4. Now if you want to close the center of the yo-yo, you can pull that yarn end and close it. Now I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2. In the next stitch, I'm going to make the beginning of a double crochet. And I'll do the same thing in the next stitch. Just the beginning of the double crochet. Now I have 3 loops on my hook, and I'm going to pull the yarn through all 3 loops, and that's called a double crochet decrease. And I'm going to do that all the way around. So into the next stitch, pull through 2 loops. Into the next stitch, pull through 2 loops. Now pull through all 3 loops on the hook. And I'm going to repeat that all the way around. Okay. And I'm going to slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2. And then you can fasten off and you'll have your crocheted yo-yo. If you'd like to make larger yo-yos, this one was made using 2 strands of worsted weight yarn and a 6mm hook. To make a smaller yo-yo, I've worked double crochets all the way around, the same number. And then for the next row, chain 1. And you're going to do single crochet decrease. So you pull up 1 loop, go to the next stitch and pull up a loop, and you'll have 3 loops on the hook. Pick up the yarn, pull it through all 3 loops. So go to the next stitch, pick up a loop. Go to the next stitch, pick up a loop. Pull the yarn through all 3. And you'll repeat that all the way around. And there you go. That's how easy it is to crochet yo-yos. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.